Human anatomy is the study of the structure of the human body. Commonly it's thought that we've already learnt it all and there's no more to find, but I think the more you know, the more questions arise.
Clinical anatomy is the application of anatomical concepts and knowledge to solve clinical problems.
Doctors, nurses, paramedics, they all need a working knowledge of anatomy to do their jobs, and there's a variety of fields out there, including people like radiographers, ultrasonographers, who also very, very heavily use anatomy within their professions. And then there's the knowledge of anatomy as it relates to research.
My group's research is looking at how we can maintain independence and fitness into old age. I'm particularly interested in a look at changes in muscle and the loss of muscle and how that affects things like gait and mobility. Studies show that the development of frailty is predated by the loss of muscle, both in mass and function, so strength and agility, and that's important because people become less independent, and obviously that's a big problem with an ageing population, but also it predisposes people to trauma and also inhibits recovery after trauma.
I come across students asking questions where that question will make me think further about the material that I'm teaching.
One of the reasons for my change from being a clinician, a physiotherapist, to now teaching anatomy is I have an appreciation of how fundamental good knowledge of anatomy is to clinical skills and diagnosis and treatment.
The benefits for my research being linked to clinical units and clinicians, which I work with very closely, means that the whole purpose of my research is to apply it to patients that they see, and either preventing them becoming patients or promoting their recovery.